This method to make money online requires no experience at all. It requires no money, it requires no social media followers, and you don't need to sell anything. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online that I have ever used. Just watch the video till the end so you understand what to do. It is absolutely free and it's available worldwide. So just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button to subscribe. It's free to subscribe, and click on that bell icon so that every time I upload my new videos, you will receive a notification. So what you want to do is you want to come onto a website called imgflip.com. So imgflip.com is a place where we can create different kinds of images. So we will be creating what we call memes. If you never heard what a meme is before, I'll show you what it is. So it's basically an image with some text on it, usually something that's really funny. You know, I know you've seen this before. It's been circulating for so many years and it's really funny, and you can actually make a lot of money from these, and I'm going to show you how. So just make sure you watch the video. So when you're on IMG Flip, what you want to do, you'll see something here which says create. Then you're going to see over here it says make a meme. Now click on make a meme. So when you click on make a meme, you're going to come over here and you can see that there are so many different images that you can choose from, and basically you can just decide to choose any photo that you would like. You can even upload your own photos from your computer. It's all up to you. And then once you found a photo that you like, then that's when you'll be entering text and making it funny, and I'm going to show you how you make your money. So let's take, for example, let's find something. Okay, let's click on this one and let's type something like wait, I didn't know she was your mom. Wait, I didn't know she was your mom. And then over here, you can just type something like I know. It's like, wait, I didn't know she was your mom. I know. And then he slaps him. So just type something funny, you know, just have fun with this. It's all about having fun, and then you can make a lot of money. Okay, so once you have this, basically you can just create meme over here. Click on the blue button that says create meme, and then you want to click on download image. So now that you have your meme downloaded onto your computer, what you want to do next, you want to go onto a website called memefactory.io. So this is memefactory.io. So this is a place where people sell memes. They make a lot of money from memes. So as you can see over here, all these are different kinds of memes that people are actually selling over here, and they're making a lot of money. Trust me, a lot of money is being made. Now, how much do they sell them for? You'll see here it's 1 ETH. ETH stands for Ethereum. So basically, if you want to know how much 1 ETH is in US dollars, we can do that quickly. 1 ETH to USD is $446 for just this meme over here. So there's a lot of money to be made. Now you might ask yourself, why would somebody buy these memes for such an amount? Now you must understand that the people who actually buy these memes, they actually they don't even see that they're spending any money, because what they use the memes for is for a greater purpose. For example, if there's a channel that is having over 7 million followers, I mean, the whole channel is about memes. So getting memes, they don't have time to be creating all these memes, because your meme needs to be really catchy and funny for people to actually want to actually use it. So they'll come over here onto this marketplace on memefactory.io, and they'll just buy a meme quickly and then post it on their social media. So for example, this one is going for 0.20 ETH. Let's check how much that would be in US dollars. So it's basically $89 for this meme over here. So there's a lot of money to be made. So what you want to do is you want to create your meme, make sure it's catchy, make sure it's reasonable, it looks good, it's funny. The best memes are all those memes that are funny, because a lot of people love memes because they're always just funny, and when you send it to someone's always happy to see it because they can just laugh, and it's just great, and you can make money from them. So you'll just come over here and then you'll publish it over here and make money. Now the question is, how do you actually get your money if this currency is in ETH? Now ETH is Ethereum, which is a cryptocurrency. So what you want to do is you want to go onto a website called Coinbase. So this is coinbase.com. Now Coinbase is a place where people exchange, sell, trade cryptocurrency. So there's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, which we spoke about, there's Bitcoin Cash, there's Litecoin. So basically, if you want to know the value of an Ethereum, so 1 is equal to 447 over here. So it is very, it is very valuable. So people here are always trading, Ethereums to dollars to Ethereum, dollars to Bitcoin. So once you make your money from Meme Factory, you come over here onto Coinbase, and then this is where you make your money. You click on get started, and then you trade your Ethereum for dollars, and then you get your money converted to dollars, which you can then withdraw. You can then withdraw at an ATM or via PayPal, or however you would like to use your money. Now, if you're not using dollars, or you're using maybe a different currency, you can also do that as well. They will exchange your Ethereum to any currency in the world. So this is how you make your money from simply creating memes. It's absolutely easy, and there's so many memes that you can actually generate, and it's really fun, and a lot of people are doing that. So I repeat the process very quickly so you don't forget. You go to create meme, you find a reasonable funny image that you would like to look at. Then you type something like I am rich, change your mind. That's just funny. I am rich, change your mind. It just makes sense. It's just funny. If you get it, comment in the comment section that you got this joke. I am rich. Then you just create meme over here, and it's created your meme. Then you click on download, then it's downloaded onto your computer. Easy. Then you come over here onto Meme Factory, and you can quickly upload it, and you can just charge any amount. Now you can just check the lowest amounts that people are charging. So here we have 0.20, we have 0.19. So you can make yours any amount. Here we have 0.0. How much is, let's check how much that is in US dollars. So it's 0.01. So this is 4. So he's charging $4. So it's absolutely cool. It's a great way to make money. So I hope this helps you. It's very easy to do. If you were able to get some value out of this, please like the video, and subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already. It's absolutely free. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's free. And also click on the bell icon so you receive a notification every time I upload my new videos. So thank you so much for watching, and cheers.